So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? In today's vlog, I'm actually going to be sharing the total amount of money I've made from YouTube, especially for the year 2021. YouTube is one platform that is actually very underestimated, and yet it can actually let you work from home, have your own schedule of work, and at the same time pay you over 100 US dollars. If you are that kind of a person who have been wondering how actually YouTubers make money passively or as a full-time business, this video is for you. I'm going to be spilling tea all about how YouTubers actually do make money, different ways, how it niches down to you, the viewer, and myself, the person who's creating content, and YouTube as a company on its own. And I'm also going to be giving you, of course, the estimated view of the total amount of money, as I told you earlier on, I did make in 2021 and part of this year, especially for January. So without any further ado, let us just dive into the video right now. Before that, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Here on this channel, you are going to see videos about beauty, lifestyle, and self-empowerment. And if that sounds familiar or sounds like something you would love and like to watch, please go on and subscribe, then turn on that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I have a new video up. For you guys, there is something known as the YouTube business model. The YouTube business model. So it is divided into three different things. There is what they call the partner, the client, and the product. So I'm going to be first of all breaking down three of those things, what they mean. So the product, it is you guys who are always watching YouTube videos. So YouTube takes you as their products. There is what they call the client. The client, they are those different people who actually pay YouTube in order to put their advertisements onto the videos you guys are watching on our channels. So YouTube always talks to their clients, telling them that you see on our platform, there are a lot of people always watching videos. So if you can give us a particular amount of money so that we can put advertisements on our videos, chances are very high that our products will be able to buy. So there is also what they call the partners. So us, the content creators, are the YouTube partners. We are the one who actually create these videos that you guys watch, so that when YouTube is paid any particular amount of money, we can be able to share that amount of money. So take an example, if a particular company wants to actually put an advertisement on my video, they are going to have a total of 100% of money they are going to be giving to YouTube. But YouTube is going to only take 45% of that particular amount of money. And for me, they are going to be able to leave me 55%, which I feel like is a little bit fair. But most of the time, people who are in African countries, it tends not to be like very high compared to those people who are in European countries or in America or in Canada. I also want to emphasize that US, Canada, and United Kingdom viewers or products of YouTube, especially to us African content creators, they generate for us a lot of money. For example, if a person in USA or United Kingdom watches the whole of my video, I'm going to get way higher amount of money in my Google AdSense on that video compared to the same person here in my country watching that video. So location also matters a lot and a lot. So there is also something else known as CPM. It is called cost per mile. That is the name given to the total percentage which I've explained to you that is paid to YouTube in order to show those particular advertisements on our videos so that you guys can watch and you can be able to buy those different things, they are in those different advertisements. And there is also another thing that I want to talk about. There is a difference, huge difference when a person talks about subscribers and views. It doesn't mean that when you have a lot of subscribers, you're going to be making a lot of money, and it doesn't mean that when you're having very few subscribers, you're going to be making less money. For every 1,000 views, a particular advertisement is shown on videos. That is to say, if 1,000 times that advertisement has been shown on a particular video, that is how YouTube is going to be charging. I hope that now we are on the same page. So another thing that I want to talk about is that hopefully that you guys have understood that, So another thing that I want to talk about currently is that before monetization, there are actually different milestones that you have to hit as a YouTube partner or as a content creator in order for those advertisements to show on your video. The first thing it is you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. You have to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365, is it 64, 65 days in the last 1 year. And you have also not to have any copyright claim or copyright strikes, whatsoever the case may be. That's why most of the time I encourage upcoming YouTubers to always do their research before actually diving into this, because any slight mistake can land you into some big trouble, especially when it comes to you making money on this particular platform. The other thing I want to talk about is that YouTubers make money in a lot of different things. Now I niche it down to partners. We are the creators. So there is what they call soul sponsorship. In soul sponsorship, that is where your viewers or people who are interested in your content actually go in to support your channel monthly without even passing through YouTube directly. So they can use PayPal accounts. Most of them, they can use SendWave. Recently is one of the commonest ones that people have been using. Then the other one, it's about selling different products on their channels, such as they can put together a particular profile of how to take care of your skin. They can put aside different ways how to grow your YouTube channel. Some of them can go in even up to make merchandise and a lot of other different ways. The other way is about memberships. They can put up a particular way how you the product can go in always to subscribe and get or see exclusive content from some of your favorite content creators. So all those are different ways in addition to the Google AdSense that YouTubers make money. For my own self, the amount of money I've made in Google AdSense in particular, yes, I did make a video of how much money I was able to get from sold sponsorships in 2021, I believe in 2000, and also in 2020. I'm going to be leaving those videos in the description box below. You can actually go watch those immediately after this. But if you don't know, I received my first watch hours, my 4,000 watch hours, my first 4,000 watch hours within a year. It was in July 30th. I went in to apply for monetization in August 1st. Then I was monetized in August 2nd, I believe. And then I applied for my PIN. If you don't know, after you have actually hit the requirements I told you about, then you are eligible to apply. And if you apply and they examine your channel that it is on standard, they can go in and allow advertisements to play on your video. So I was very lucky. Within 24 hours, I was actually monetized. So I went in to apply for the PIN and all that other process. But my PIN took up to, I believe, 2 months. 1.5 to 2 months, because it was in August, September, October. I received it in October, and I put in the PIN, and finally I was able to get the PIN and very, very eligible to be able to make money on this particular platform in that particular sector of Google AdSense. You guys have written down the month and the amount of money that I was able to earn from those different months in 2021, so that you guys can have a picture of how much money that you can earn in a month, especially when you are still a very, very cool YouTuber, a very, very small YouTuber. And I think that I've not talked about, YouTube always pays content creators around 22nd, based on the country you are in. I am not going to be able to provide the money that YouTube is going to pay me in February, because it is still ongoing. So I'm only going to share those months that are finished. They are already counted. So in September, I was paid $13 and in October, I was paid 17.03 cents US. In November, I was paid $16.15. In December, it went up to $20.89 US. In January, it was around 18.21 US dollars, around 100 USD dollars. So that is the picture that you guys I want to show you, that it is not like mad money, it's not like you from Google AdSense you receive mad money. It is not very huge big amount of money at all, but I believe that with time, with consistency, I'm very sure that I can be able to double up these numbers with your support, watching my videos, and always liking and commenting so that these videos can move further to other people. Hopefully that you guys, this video has given you an idea about YouTube. If you want to start up a YouTube channel, you are free. The sky is the limit. It's a very big space and bubble that you can go in and also start creating content and make a little bit extra amount of money, because why not, So thank you very much for watching. Let me meet you in the next video. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.